Yeah, through telling them brain at work. Brain at work. Yeah, you are all welcome once again to this educational program. All that we are saying is Sean Paul to concentrate on comedy and take distance or stay away from CSF or TTT. Sean Paul to concentrate on comedy and stay away or take distance from CSF or TTT. Ebusua, woba show no so pɛ na wahyɛ de ama yɛn na afei yɛn nyinaa yɛkɔ anim. Ɛsan sɛ ɛnyɛ kɔkɔnsa na yɛdi nti, because ɛnyɛ kɔkɔnsa na yɛdi nti, ope a obetumi atage no so onim na Sean Paul or Sim and Sim Paul TV or whatever. Obetumi atage no what you say na yɛn nyinaa yɛn kɔ anim. Ti Sean Paul to concentrate on comedy and stay away from CSF and the TTT. Sean Paul or making some claims be number one, we granting interview and or say Micah chapter 2 and Matthew omo lesson bi oho na Avram or ta kire mo no. Sean Paul say Avram oboa nti ono Sean Paul na kasa oba be kire mu o kire mu so a say dia o kan no enye sa na asem na ti and or some making some other claims a eya yero hosem mema wa hwe bi na afa ye nyina yakọ yenim what you say ti obi nim na no obetumi aka kire no enye kokonsa na di eya futu pa o ya menua pain what you say ahanti ye beti ya oka nti Sean Paul
Matthew, what is the meaning of Ephraim? What is the meaning of
correct nti asem no am say we dey yenim
different
nti na won pi atake no
you see contradiction in the Bible. Muslims and study.
First line. Sean Paul say contradiction in the Bible. A yenkrimofo and study here. Oh, Sean Paul, how? Sean Paul, how? Na say you no crampo say a yenkrimofo and study contradiction in the Bible. Na Avram na ono onye nkrimo bi. Yay! Even if it is true that Muslims are the people who started teaching or pointing at contradictions in the Bible. And then the question is, Avram bin Moshe, has he never been a Muslim before? Nti what shows us say okopiwo Sean Paul ananane. Sean Paul oyen kremonia, how many days in it? How many days have you been a Muslim, Sean Paul? It's a contradiction in the Bible. Eyen kremofo na start. How? How can you say this? So Sean Paul, you want to tell us that the Jews, the Kemet, the Zoroastrians, the Hindu, the Buddhists, none of them knew about contradiction in the Bible until you, the descendants of Prophet Muhammad, you came to teach people contradictions in the Bible. Sean Paul, this one you have to come again.
Me just so I see the meeting can catch them mono, ye baby boy Avran send some name sure no more me just okay. So Matthew reporting differently for Jesus Christ.
It's a lie. Won't say Bibi. So, only use the Quran to check the Bible. Hey, that's what I'm saying. That one to for. One can check. Sean Paul say you can use the Quran to check the Bible. It is the Bible you can use to check the Quran because the Bible comes before the Quran. I will say when you want to teach lies in the New Testament, now the Old Testament, lies no. The old was there. The old was there. Answer the new name. And the Bible no so answer the Quran. So Sean Paul telling us that you use the Quran to check the Bible. It is only low-minded people will buy into this idea, and people like us will not accept it. And I am saying that you are a comedian, very good comedian. It is good you concentrate on comedy. Okay, correct. Say Bible naka ewaha no waka biwaha. Nti ebi ni Quran. Meaning in the Quran, according to Sean Paul, there is no contradiction. Over debate that come up very soon. Yenti.
Ne ebusa se ata ante ko se so fa nsika. Oh magistrate manfa ya tro manfa. Ya sa bisa ubiem ata ya so fa sika me fa so me de to ho ya tro ni ya sa bisa wo man pie adano kora on do batum. Any of contradiction. Now, New Testament, bebrewum, Old Testament, kakrawum. Contradictions in the Bible number. And no.
First point. Say contradiction. When you say common sense, no. Say contradiction. Ewo Bible nemu bebre. And now, Sean Paul, you are saying that when you go to court, they ask you questions, Adra, anti, if was in the Sikaira, and also Manfa. Ye said, be so say, me fine, so media to her back. And I tell us a sadano, one pie cran at the court, no, ye do bet to one. Just say, if contradiction are in the Bible, it means the Bible is not a truthful book. Just the Bible no on canocre, just say the Bible no quarter, ye be again, Bible no assemble tono, afemuntie, shampoo no Quran. If the Bible is not truthful, yenti Quran, Quran chapter 2, verse 91. Monty, hey, Sean Paul, concentrate on comedy. Don't come near CSF or TTT. It will not help you. Monty Quran, or Sean Paul say there is problem with the Bible. Yenti Quran, or say when they are told believe in what Allah has revealed, they say, we believe in what was revealed to us, while they deny the truth in what has been sent down after that, even though it is the truth confirming that which they already have. When the Jews and the Christians were told to believe in the Quran, they said, we believe in the Bible, so we are not going to believe in the Quran. And the Quran say the Quran is confirming, or say the truth confirming that which they already have. The Quran is confirming the Bible that the Jews and the Christians already have. Nti oba se oba confirmia. Nipa oba confirming no asemo nipa no ho an. Epacho also asemo wo ho and asemo ni ho. Yay! Obie kunipa and the patina crown. Somebody has killed, and police arrest this person. And I woke up police station home say, oh, kwa kon defending nipana. Sebi, also when you criminal nebia. So Jean Paul, I don't know the claim. Me name claim kwa opeso yo. What you say? See, you better concentrate on comedy.
When a Christopher from the CNE. Now, no, the Islamic believer, I wonder, a bomb sure. You come say, every person who share Islamic history, a share Bible, and some a Christopher Kafa Yesu, what the Islam gain Kura, so for being over to imagine on him.
True. True. No Christian pastor can debate a Muslim. Majiatum. A Muslim, a learned Muslim, Cremonia was feared the Ankasangasa. Christiani won't mean debating. Because it is in the Bible that Jesus didn't die on the cross. And it is in the Quran that Jesus did not die on the cross. And the Jews and Muslims believe that Jesus did not come and die for anybody. The whole Christian believe in. So the Muslim will ask you a question and you can't answer. Christiani, don't try to debate a Muslim. The only topic obetimi debating Cremonene say Deuteronomy chapter 18 say odi for tisem me onu na memma so e dia mamu ayen Cremoni also the onu cause Muhammad ya oboa oti ase nti menem Jean Paul menyina ya dwen e wa ha ya beto so na yentie nasem no oti ase
Yesu moja nyankwa onyenya nkopon amase yansomo no wanwu asenwia so onse da bie na otakura ba ansana wode
okra asem na wan piki free nkremusumo Jewfo sana umo de nete. Let me show you something about the Jews. Leviticus chapter 18 verse 2 hwiade say asem we ayemo nkremufo ene the sa concept na ba ya. Leviticus 18 the verse number 2. What you say? If you don't know, you don't know. I say Leviticus chapter 18, starting from verse 1. I say, the Lord told Moses to say to the peoples of Israel, I am the Lord your God. Verse 3. Do not follow the practice of the peoples of Egypt, where you once lived, of the peoples of Canaan, where you once lived. Verse 4. Obey. See how? Verse 4. Obey my laws and do what I command. I am the Lord your God. Follow the practice and the law that I give you. Ahanatie, you will save your life by doing so. I am the Lord. Nti nkremofo Yesu moja enje nipa nkwa eyemu na mode bai ana ewo Old Testament dada. Nti enye Jewish concept. Nti ede na wo be claim sa concept no Adam Islam Jean Paul. That the blood of Jesus does not save her. You, the Muslim, are not the originators. It is there already in the Old Testament for the Jews. So if you claim it for yourself, you are a liar. That is why I am saying that Jean Paul, concentrate on comedy. Concentrate on comedy, which is your field. Mami Sancho, another one. Ezekiel chapter 20, verse 10. Downward, share say and Abraham or copy free Kremosum. No, the work is ready out there. Do you know what you're talking about? Jean Paul, I love you, but this one, the main first I love you. This is a candid advice I can give you. Verse 10, Ezekiel 20, verse 10. Or see, and so I led them out of Egypt into the desert. I gave them my commands and taught them my law, which bring life to anyone who obey them. Which brings life to anyone who obey the laws. Intibe pawecho say Yesu moja enje nipa nkwa nembom eye wankasa wo papa yo ene je nipa nkwa no eye Quran ene the Bible and our Old Testament dada. Nti Jean Paul, which of them are you talking about? This is Jean Paul. Na mo ben pa na opese o chire. Monty.
Oh, magistrate, manfa. Ya trot manfa. Ya sa bisa ubiem ata. yɛsɔ fa sika me fa so me de to ho yɛatwerɛ ne yɛsɛ bisawo mampie ada no koraa ɔmo do batum ɛyɛ yɛfɛ no contradiction
ɛyɛ no korɛ apo mentie
now New Testament bebre wom Old Testament kakra wom
yes bebre wo New Testament and the kakra wo Old Testament still your Quran says it has come to confirm those books. It means your book is not correct. Sean Paul, if contradictions are in the New Testament and are in the Old Testament, and your Quran is still saying that it has come to confirm the Bible, it means your Quran is not truthful. True or false? Why do you can you know? Yay. Abba. Share. What this CSF and the TTTH you will say things that you will regret later. One kasa monim shompola mo tagino. On one kasa okofia and as a wofia on tie interview no reflecting about it. No one kasa on thing in some way all can. Say contradiction of Old Testament and the contradiction of New Testament and your Quran you are to reject it. And your Quran is to be excommunicated. What you say? Montiha. Then obi book yi na fe ye nya ho asomdwe. Montiha Surah chapter 10 verse 37. Surah 10:37. Monti or say this Quran is not such as could have been produced by anyone but Allah. It fulfills that the prediction which came before it and give a fuller explanations of the earlier revelations. Give what the earlier revelations, revelation be. Anya no ane bisan kremoni say book be na Quran I can wasama ha Bible. So if the Quran has come to give the Quran has come to fulfill the Bible, and you, Sean Paul, you are saying that there are contradictions in the Bible. So what is the Quran doing? They say the Quran is confirming the contradictions. Message Sean Paul, concentrate on comedy and stay away from CSF and the TTT. I hope this is a pure advice from a junior brother to senior brother. What you say? And I'm sure you will take this advice because Mesanti also be making claims be about Avram, about Dakoba, and I say about our teaching. Sean Paul, you will debate me by force. You will debate Dakoba by force. All right. Montier.
And Avram when a Christo first of on the CNE. Now, Oriesa no the Islamic believer I wonder about my show.
I know that you
want to say every person overseeing Islamic history. Ashia Bible and some a Christo for years what the Islam in Kura so for being over to imagine one him.
I am no correct, Majatu. I am no correct.
Yes, you moja yanka. Yes, yanko pong. Wamase sumono. Who are saying yaso. Once at the Bienna of Takuraba and son of the 8 years, Mono, I will say, you don't need God. If he is a set to cry, you don't need him. And the medical proof say, we hate yes.
Abraham is not an atheist.
What?
It's a lie.
Sir?
Maybe you don't know who is an atheist. Abraham always say he believed in an existence of God, but not the one in the Bible. So once you believe in existence of God, you believe that a God exists, you are not an atheist. So let me tell you, Avram bin Moshe is not an atheist. Avram is a theist, or a theist, because per on speech. Avram, maybe some people don't know the relationship between Dakoba and Avram. What you say? From his mouth, severally, Avram always say, or jinyamidi or gidi say nyankopon bi ho and otan kan asem say once there is a creation there must be a creator. Abraham o ka say won bebrebe nti per this speech won ti me ka say Abraham o ye 8 years ye ka say obi ye 8 years e bia ye me dakoba o ti ase nti o say Abraham o ye 8 years inu so kra say ye lie because nipa no say oji nyankopon di but enye de wo book we yimu o ti ase ti yanko yenim
ko shi obi sami de bia o se mesaya no nkom shani bible
obwa
and me ni ju fananti
o say Abraham say meza no nkom shani le
ni asa bisawo man pie adano kora on do batum sa ko shi obi sami de bia o se mesaya no nkom shani bible
it's a lie. Abraham onka we da. Abraham has never said that there is no prophecy about the Messiah in the Bible. Now, if it's not in the Bible, the Abraham can say there is no prophecy about the Messiah in the New Testament. What I say Bible? The Bible constitutes of the New Testament and the Old Testament. And when you tune the Bible, over Old Testament, you know, your friend Tanakh. Old Testament, you know, Jew for friend Tanakh, and a New Testament, you know. We a New Testament in Kwa, we a Matthew to Revelation, and a way a Genesis to Malachi. Put them you know we boom and una yenyana say. And una yenyana say, when a friend the Bible. It is also Abraham say there is no prophecy about the Messiah in the Bible. You are lying, you are lying, you are telling lie. Abraham has never said that. Abraham says there is no prophecy about the Messiah in the New Testament. The prophecies are in the Old. Sean Paul, stay away from CSF and TTT. Concentrate on comedy. Correct? Into us way.
Me need you fananti. I raise the Jews, and I know the Jews mythology. No, Tetium. Jew for no Maira.
Wow, look.
Because Messiah no and also go mujini dina, omunyankwa no, omaru jet no, and nam say one muji bi say. Messiah no yan wono, omoto ho anu ofiri so abesi fom kunkuro hatale.
It is a lie. Say Jew for muji didn't say the Messiah will not be born. He will appear from nowhere. It is a lie. Sean Paul, I am saying that the next time I hear you making claims like this, you will debate Jacoba by force. Bible, Old Testament noni, Tanakh noni. Sean Paul, show me one place where it is in the Jewish belief that the Messiah will not be born. And then Jew for born say the Messiah is a descendant of King David. And no more Christopher and Cremofor, most Allah say be and it was. Inti more dear born a free nowhere. But Jew for more dear no, a bema and obana beshem, no oba fire fun, and a yawono. Say the more claiming Isaiah 7:14 say nti ababa wan benyin say no wo ba beni say you are claiming no sanity nti so say Jew for mo gidi ne say Messiah no yen wo no obafiri wiemi ankpankpan no ba. Sean Paul, again it is a lie. If you don't know, you don't know, and it is not a crime to be an innocent. To be innocent and a crime. But if you don't know and you don't know that you don't know, you are a fool. Dear Ukraine, say Jew for Mujidin said the Messiah will not be born. Umukano, when for a Jew for Muka say Mezano Yawono. Concentrate on comedy. That is your field. And for was some bag CSF and I say TTT so. And when they ain't trim out. Crack. Motiha, the peaceful kingdom. The royal line of David is like a tree that has been cut down. But just as a new branch will sprout from a stem, so a new king will arise from among David's descendants. And then Yesu na mo friend, Yesu David ba. Never free nowhere. You be say, nti David busuya no eye busuya e wo ho anani ho. Nti se wo ho a Moses na se oba free David busuya ma. Nti ye ba wo no anaye wo no. Answer. There are so many things you can do.
They reject the Messiah and I'm the boss saying you're super cool.
Wow, look.
And so what did you
Wow, look. Nkremonia almost so much the Messiah not upon a symbium. Nkremonia what GD say. Jesus Christ was crucified. We Nkremoni. That's what I'm asking the Sean Paul. What be Nkremoni? How many days ni? Sean Paul. What be Nkremoni? You started being a Muslim. How many days now? A Muslim that believe that Jesus Christ was crucified. Maybe I make you to our natural. Monty.
And me need you for nothing. I raise the Jews. And I know the Jews mythology. No, Tetium. Jew for no Mayra.
Wow, look.
You call Messiah no one else go Mujini Dina, Omunyanquano, Omaro Jetino, and no say one Mujini say. Messiah no young one, or not to one of free service from Kunkuro Hatali.
Bois.
And the Mel
Bois. That is never the belief of the Jew that the Messiah will not be born. No. Sean Paul.
They reject the Messiah, and I'm the boss saying you're super cool.
See.
And so what did you?
Nti Hanokrach say Sean Paul believes that Jesus Christ was crucified. And I'm say, Akwawe, if the only Nkremoni o. Nkremoni o jiri say about Jesus assemblium. Let me show you from the Quran that Jesus Christ was not crucified. From the Quran. Maria, I will teach you from the Bible that Jesus Christ was not crucified according to religion. What? Surah chapter 4, ayah 157. Ni buku na yewe. Oka says over yes sala she zalabi and one ekaze Nkremoni. Nkremoni o jiri say Jesus Christ was crucified by the Jews. Montiha. They declare, we have put to death the Messiah, Jesus, son of Miriam, the messenger of Allah. They did not kill him. Sean Paul, Quran, no, your Quran says Jesus was not killed. And also say Jew for born as him. Until where Nkremoni ben. Nkremoni ben away. Your book is saying the man was not killed. Also say he was killed by the Jew. Until our book jindi. And as it is either you don't believe it or you don't know the message of your book. They declare, we have put to death the Messiah, Jesus, son of Miriam, the messenger of Allah. They did not kill him, nor did they crucify him. And Sean Paul also say, Quran said the yo. Aye. But it only seemed to them as if it had been so. And those who differ in this matter are in doubt concerning it. They have no definite knowledge about it. He said Sean Paul. Sean Paul has no definite knowledge about the supposed or the alleged death of Jesus Christ. But they certainly did not kill him. Inti Quran san can be say the Jews certainly didn't kill Jesus. And Sean Paul also say Jew for boy used to ascend him. Inti Sean Paul. What Nkremoni how many days ni? Abba. God, and I say Allah raised him towards himself. Allah is almighty and wise. There is none among the peoples of the book, but will believe in it before his death. And on the days of resurrection, he shall be a witness against them. Okay. So you can say, we know about it. And son you say, and you know, you say you're sorry, and you say Nkremosum, and you know, and I say Christosum, and there be. We first learned about the religion. And son, you make it claim. Abusuya, women person me come in bebre. Interview no one. Mo follow. What you say? Mo follow YouTube. Your YouTube channel then that on Truth Telling Time TV. Truth Telling Time TV. No subscribe. And I mo follow your page our Facebook. Yes, so you the message the message na kasa full one eda beto na wan kasa wetie. What you say? Message na wa. Somebody trying to disprove a person he tagged to be a liar. This is the 5 minutes 39 seconds. Where 5 minutes 39 seconds the pay and I'm a boy. I just play 5 minutes 39 seconds and look at the lies Sean Paul is raining on religion. So let me bore all the 31 minutes. I just play only 5 minutes 39 seconds and look at the lies. Yenti kakran kan.
No so ka wa ma na se wa ira no because Jew for no mboro omunim say Messiah ne by name ehye de na omo person oba no a.
Which is a lie. Which is a lie. Jews once believed in someone to be the Messiah. The man is called Simon Bar Kokhba. Simon Bar Kokhba. The Jew believed in him to be the promised Messiah. But in Judaism, the Messiah will not die trying to save them, or be trying to rescue them. So Simon Bar Kokhba died in a battle, and they realized that he is not the one. Jesus Christ came. Not even one of the messianic prophecy has fulfilled. So as for Jesus, the Orthodox Jews, almost say the messianic Jews believe in Jesus, but the Orthodox Jews, they say no, he is not the Messiah. Adentia, one fulfilling messianic prophecy. Messiah no, so according to Bible, according to Old Testament, we have the way the Messiah will be born, the way he will grow, and the way he will live among the peoples of Israel. Jesus wanye bako kra. Messiah na breso abrantie be di 100 years. Me ohwe me se me abrantie. Ana okay, me pam no cho sebi mpeduasa. Ehun hia se me involve na din. Ehun hia okay, ma me fa na sinche because it's not no. Me pam cho Ghana, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo at his age today amenu kasai oya abrantie ana oya open. President Nana Akufo-Addo oya abrantie ana oya open. Sebi mpeduasa. Ghana, our senior minister Samuel Mafo oya abrantie ana oya open. And the Bible say in the time of the Messiah, a young man shall live up to 100 years. 100 years. Oma pe Akufo-Addo wenyebi. Na so still onyewe. Nti also Messiah na ba. Wokra woni media woka. You don't know the messianic prophecy. Mwatama akwa we abo mobosa. Sean Paul, dia we no mempe.
Jew for no. One ni say Mary wakoda bia o claim say we Messiah. But they did not believe in him because according to commission so the omusu commission no a bit wo. Now,
abua enye se se de omo se ho no. Den commission no eyomwa na troy. Messianic prophecy enye Yakobo bia na promise Messiah bia. The Jewish concept, Jew for now created the concept of Messiah. So if you say you are the one, they are the author of the book and they have all the quality to check you. There is no Messiah anywhere coming. Only I just say share that show that crew. I will say in the Jewish concept, what kind 2 Kings chapter 2, verse 10 to 11. Elijah is taken up to heaven alive. Elijah didn't die. Now, in Judaism, Prophet Elijah will come and anoint the Messiah. The Messiah will be anointed. So Prophet Elijah will come to pave way for the Messiah. What you say? Now you and I, we have not seen Elijah before. We don't have the picture of Elijah. And what you want? Papibia Base, hey, Ghana for, and I said, peoples of the world, I am Prophet Elijah who was taken up to heaven. I have come back and I chose Kofi Menu to be as the Messiah promised in the Old Testament. Will you believe in this? You have not seen Komfo-Anokye before. You have not seen his picture before. And when I'm say, Komfo-Anokye, I am the one who called the golden stool from heaven, according to history. Will you just accept it like that? Messiah, nobody is called Messiah is coming anywhere. The Jewish people, you see, every day they are fighting this Gaza and the Middle East. The fight is there. Any day that this Israelite will be able to win and conquer this life, the leader, the warrior that will lead them, they will come to tell us that is a Messiah. That's why they will tell you that the royal land of David is like true, like that has been cut down. Just say, "Oh, Timmy Tracy, oh, who Lewini, oh, who Judeni, oh, who Yewe." Until what will be or sorry, or say, "Mina Messiah, no idea to." The concept of Messiah, a myth created by the Jew. So, Obama say, me Jacoba, I'm an away. So, Nama sorry, Kumasi mention say, may your audition. No, No, they should just accept it like that. Me solely call mention, me catch you say, me ye mention adishe nti me ba be dia de. O wa hwe de na besi. De na besi oku America. Munya butre. Malachi tie ha. Malachi chapter 4. Malachi 4:6. Buku na munsuya na no yewe. Malachi 4:6. Okay, let me start. I'll say the day of the Lord's coming. The days of the Lord's coming. Maybe a dinocra one man bought a straight. Shampoo. I say, but before the great and terrible days of the Lord, he will send you the prophet. Okay, verse 5. Malachi 4, verse 5. But before the great and terrible day of the Lord comes, I will send you the prophet Elijah. He will bring fathers and children together again. Just a second coming. Also again. Otherwise, I will have to come and destroy your country. According to Judaism, it is prophet Elijah. And when I created the man John the Baptist. And I could beside John the Baptist. Our John chapter 1, the verse 20. John say he is not Elijah. Oh, be oh no, then no. Also, Elijah. Won't he because a chinchina? Oh, yeah, Elijah. Jean-Paul. Oh, yeah, me can't be brave.
Micah chapter 5, verse 1 to 3.
Yeah.
And Matthew chapter 2, verse 1 to 6. Ekasapa say, Yesu hun commission ni babu. And I say, Yesu anwa woba Israel. Na ya na em won ye. Dakro ma chire Messiah no commission. Wo babu no. Wo ye mbehyew. Na ya me ni Abraham ya adwere okwan bi so say asafo no en commission ni bi ho anfa Yesu ho en so no ma gye ama no e ban sa wo hia me obeye mre wo hia Abraham obeye mre because enye commission of Old Testament ni nya ne fa Yesu Kristo ho
e bi ti se bi ka 5 en fa Yesu ho
how you create Jesus ni yai resi na o Yesu o Bethlehem.
Oh, nti Micah 5 ma yensu na wahade Micah 5 I say verse 2. Me, I'm not reading the verse 2 alone. No. Me kaya basi no wa hwe ade. Micah 5 verse 2. The Lord says, Bethlehem Ephratah, you are the one of the smallest town in Judah. But out of you, I will bring a ruler for Israel, whose family line goes back to the ancient time. Whose family line goes back to the ancient time. When they say the family line of the person they are talking about here, the person has a family line about your Yesu or family line. Yakopon ofri wan busuem. The 12 tribe of Israel, which of these tribes God came from? Yakopon ofri Lewi and ofri Judah, and ofri Naphtali and Gad. So the Lord will abandon his people to their enemy until the woman who is to give birth has her son. Meaning, before Jesus was born, God has rejected the Israelites. And yes, Mate. Then those Israelites who are in exile will be reunited with their own people in the time of Jesus. The peoples of Israel, Oma reunite. Israel and Judah, Oma be baako. Say they ya prophesy about Ezekiel 37. Yesu abrasuna abemusa. Shampoo dia na working. Shampoo dia na working. Or say, when he comes, he will rule his people with the strength that comes from the Lord and with the majesty of the Lord God himself. He will rule. He will rule his people. Yesu by waba rule Israel for. Yesu by enye Herod and a rule Israel for. Enye Herod and a Pontius Pilate and a rule Israel for. Yesu by waba rule. Even after the death of Jesus, up to date, after the death of Jesus, enye Roman for and a rule Israel for. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Truth Telling Time, your home of update. Your home of update. Truth Telling Time, brain at work. What you say? Brain at work. Look, me, Debbie, I can say if you try to disprove things, you will end up exposing your stupidity. If you try to disprove sense, you will end up exposing your stupidity. See, me can be brave. This is just an advice. This is just an advice from a brother. What you say? See, Abusian, can be brave. You see her. Maybe say he will take this advice. He will take the advice. He should concentrate on comedy. He should concentrate on comedy. Cry. I know about one. What you say? Yeah. I know be calm. See, my from message kakra. Babu Kwando also there is another group of Islam who believe that Jesus died. Yeah. I would say Sean Paul and a young leader. And Milan Lion also Kumaul is dead. CSF gives him a new job. Yeah, he is now preaching the gospel according to Matthew. So Sean Paul is now preaching the gospel according to Matthew. And easy. Tiebusian. You can be brave. You see her. What you say? Now your YouTube channel so now more subscribe. Kama. Now for you na your coin him. What you say? Auntie, the message you know. Dia me born kra no and do 9 minutes. But what dear wom say some papa ye fa say dear Sean Paul e kan no eye no kre e na me meboa wa we hu say onu twantro e na me bo me correct na eno so wa so mu what you senti ye embassy be claim champion bi ama ye ho ye da mo nyina say Truth Telling Time brain at work and ye da mo say mo subscribe to your YouTube channel no so kakran message na be go far what you say ti yen kasa bebre yeah you never see her Truth Telling Time brain at work your YouTube channel no and that screen anim no what you say Truth Telling Time TV what person obuaye with data and now say what person obuaye o kwan bi so a your telephone number is 054 123 2463 this my telephone number 054 123 2463 Truth Telling Time brain at work edamasi